everyone, my name is Nur Shamia Hanan and today I'll be presenting my Java project titled Bookstore Inventory System. This project uses two important Java data structures, Arraylist and Linklist. Let's begin with the book class. This is my concrete class that represents each book object in the inventory. Here I define 7 attributes: ID, title, genre, publisher, author, price, and quantity. I created a constructor that initializes all of these fields when a new book object is created. I also created getter methods for each attribute and one setter method to update the quantity when needed. Lastly, there is a toString method which formats the book information nicely whenever we print it in the console. Next, let's move to the bookstore class, which is the main application of this project. At the top of the class, I declared two data structures. The first one is an array list called book array list, which acts as the main storage, and a linked list called book linked list used for copying or moving data. The program runs using a manually driven system inside a do-while loop. The user can enter numbers to select different functions. Now, let me explain each of the major methods. Add book. This method collects input from the user such as ID, title, genre, publisher, author, price, and quantity. It then creates a new book object and stores it in the array list. Delete book. This removes a book from the array list using its ID. It uses the removeIf method, which makes the deletion efficient and clean. Find book. This method searches for a book by ID. If the ID matches, the system prints the book details. Display all. This prints all books in the array list. I use a for each loop and the toString method to show every book clearly. Calculate states. This is the method used to calculate the total price, average price, and find the cheapest and most expensive books in the system. I loop through all the books and compute sum, minimum price, maximum price, and average price. Copy or move data. This method allows the user to either copy or move the data from the array list to the linked list. Copying keeps the data in both structures, while moving clears the array list afterwards. Search book. This method allows keyword-based searching. Users can search by title or author, and the program will display matching books. Top 3 expensive books. This is my unique feature. The method sorts the book by price in descending order and displays the top 3 highest priced books. So that covers the structure and logic of the application class. Now, I will run the program and demonstrate how it works. First, I will choose option 1 to add some books. For this one, I will add 5 books. Let us start with the first book. The first book is done. Now, let's move on to the second book. Alright, now let's move on to the third book. Now for the fourth book. And lastly, the fifth book. Next, I will select option 4, which displays all the books currently stored in the array list. As you can see, the information is printed clearly with ID, title, genre, publisher, author, price, and quantity. Now, I will choose option 3 to find a book using its ID. The program locates the book and displays its full details. Next, I will use option 7 to search by a keyword. For example, I can type part of a title or the name of an author, and the program will display all matching results. Now I will choose option 5 to calculate the statistics. The system shows total price of all books, the average price, the minimum price, and the maximum price of the books. Next, I will choose option 6 to copy the data from the array list to the linked list. The program confirms the action. Last but not least, I will demonstrate option 8, which shows the top 3 most expensive books. The program sorts the book by price and displays the top 3. Everything works correctly and no errors appear. To conclude, my bookstore inventory system demonstrates the use of object-oriented programming along with Java's Arraylist and Linklist data structures. The system successfully performed all required functions: add, delete, find and display books, calculate total, average, minimum and maximum, copy and move data between lists, search by title or author, and display top 3 most expensive books. Overall, this project shows efficient data handling, modular programming, and clear use interaction. Thank you very much for watching my presentation.